Namaste and welcome to a new video. Diwali is finally here and I can't wait to share the finishing touches that made our space a cozy, vibrant and a festive haven. From our favorite decor items to the last minute quick hacks, today's video has ideas that will inspire you for your own Diwali setup. When we ran out of the garland bells, I simply added a marigold flowers at the end and it's like a golden ray of sun illuminating every single corner on this wall. I added tea light holders on the opposite wall, but my favorite is these Chandbali holders that I showed in my previous videos. They are lovely and create an amazing glow during the night time. I'm adding a small shoe rack here and few cushions on these chairs. For me, festive decor is all about little things that turns a house into a welcoming home. I had to keep things simple and practical this year because we were traveling few days back. Though I planned painting the platter originally, but I used it as a tiered tray, adding few candles and created a cozy layered piece for this particular corner. The kitchen is always the heart of our home, especially around Diwali. On Dhanteras, I finished all my prep to kick off the food celebration right on time. My family has an round of things such as sweet malpuas, and it's a real food journey each year that family looks forward to. This year I added one trick that I rely on faster meal prep in large pressure cooker with separators. This lets me to prepare multiple components in one go. For example, I make the batch of onion tomato masala, shahi white gravy with cashew, onion and melon seed, and plus some chopped beets for oats beet paratha. And not to forget the boiled potatoes for chaat. These small preps saves me so much time later. In second batch of this meal prep, I pressure cooked chole, rajma and some kale chane. Let me know if you want an elaborate video on these pressure cooker meals. While pressure cooker was on stove, I started grinding the dahi vada batter. Ragini from Home Gupshup shared a very interesting tip for dahi vada and I was excited to try this year using a stand mixer to whip the batter. I usually use my hand blender, but this was such a relief as I could do rest of the other things around the kitchen while the batter was whisking. I used my whisk attachment for this, started on a slow speed and then gradually increased it to the medium-high speed. And using this trick, you don't need any baking soda or Eno. The batter makes absolutely soft and spongy vadas each time. And here is how all my meal prepped vegetables turned out to be. My festivals or decors are never over without DIYs, and this was one last minute idea that I popped in my head to make some beautiful design on these biryani pot covers. Over the years, I have come to love reusing items creatively. For example, to decorate the entryway, I brought back the last year DIYs as well, including the biryani pot lids as the base and a peacock candle holder that I had crafted earlier. These pieces feel like a part of family now and adding to the charm of Diwali each year. I also created this nameplate and I put together using an old frame and some paint and a bit of contact paper. This particular DIY took a little longer than expected because I was absolutely unhappy with the initial design. But thankfully, in the end, everything came together really beautifully and more than what I expected. Just wait till you see the nighttime look of this entryway. Now let's move on to one of my favorite Diwali traditions, creating rangoli. This year Ishi came up with this simple yet an elegant rangoli, and in the end we added small mirrors for the extra sparkle. Watching her make rangolis fills me with a nostalgic joy. It reminds me when my sister and I used to make rangoli each year on Diwali. It's just like I'm passing down one of those traditions to her. For table setting, I planned on some fresh flowers, but with no good options nearby, I kind of found myself in a bit of creative pinch. But as I say, necessity is a mother of invention, and Ishi saved the day by coming up with unique tablescape. Used what we have. We combined fresh, festive DIY ideas like this one, using the glass of the candle holder and a candlestick, and it created a beautiful hurricane. I hope you enjoyed these simple yet easy DIY ideas and decor ideas. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali from our side. I'll leave you with a good music and an interesting video recommendation, which you might like.